Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. So actually, I got an interesting comment. Well, not an interesting comment, but a question a couple days ago. And I thought, you know what? I should do a video about this. So they asked, I did a video and I'll link to this below. Best barrier repair products. I'll link to the video below. And I recommended a handful of products for a dry skin, your skin barrier, hydrating it, keeping your skin moist, preventing transepidermal water loss. And I recommended a couple products. Peach and Lily Rescue Party Barrier Serum. I recommend the Peach and Lily Rescue Party Barrier Cream. I recommended the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. The Paula's Choice Barrier Repair Moisturizer Advanced. And the Biossance Squalane and Allantoin Overnight Repair Cream. And I would say all of these are still great products. You can't go wrong with any of them. But I've got a few more that I thought I'd recommend. But all of these are still really nice. I'd still recommend them all. Nothing wrong with them. But most of these products I mentioned tend to be kind of expensive. Actually, looking back on it. So I did this video in 2023. All of these products are probably $40 and up. Some of them are probably 70 bucks. So I've got a few that I thought were a little bit more affordable and some that weren't more affordable, but that I just like to mention. So first off, the Anua Rice 7 Ceramide Barrier Serum. I really like this stuff. I use it a lot on my neck, which tends to get dry. It's got rice extract. It's got hydroxyethyl urea, beta-glucan, honey, and ceramides. It's a really nice product. You can't go wrong with it. No scent to it at all. Also, the Skinfix Barrier Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. It's got ceramides, shea butter, rice protein, vitamin E, and peptides. That one's a little bit more expensive. But let's see. Next up, oh, this one's nice and affordable. The Byoma Phyto-Snail Mucin Serum. It's got peptides, Panthenol, ceramides, yam root, polyglutamic acid. It's got a really nice texture, too. I did a full review of it if you want to check that one out. But yeah, so it's interesting to kind of look back at one of my videos from a few years ago and kind of compare what I'd recommend now. And yeah, I like the products I recommended. However, these two are much more affordable, really nice. And I've got a few more. So next up is the Barr Centella Calming Barrier Cream, which is really nice and fragrance-free. It's got Centella, which is a great soothing ingredient, Panthenol, Jojoba Esters, Madecassoside, which is derived from Centella. That has really nice repairing and soothing benefits as well. So this one's a really nice and a pretty affordable product and brand, K-Beauty brand. The Geek and Gorgeous Happy Barrier Cream is also really nice. It's got Squalane, Ceramides, Bisabolol, Allantoin. Really nice product from Geek and Gorgeous. Oh, there we go. Sorry. So these are all really nice. Actually, if you notice your skin is really dry and not retaining moisture as well, I'd probably recommend layering some of these. So this one is a serum, and this one's kind of a gel serum. You could probably layer these two. I'd probably apply the Anua first, then the Byoma, and then you could apply a cream over it. You could apply the Barr Lab cream or the Geek and Gorgeous cream over it. I think sometimes when your skin gets really dry, especially like when winter is coming up, it's beneficial to layer. I know a lot of people mention like skin flooding where they'll apply multiple layers of like an essence. That's even better if you can apply an essence. Oh, here's a really nice one. The Prequel Half and Half Ceramides and Peptides. This is a liquid fluid moisturizer that just came out recently. So this one you could even apply in conjunction with all of these at night. You don't want to go super crazy during the daytime, I have a feeling. Most of you don't, because can be a little thick, but at night I just apply as many layers as I can get to stick without falling off and go with that, because my skin gets so dry, especially with winter and the humidity not being high and the furnace running, things like that. Oh, another great one, actually, the Benestem Human CBCM Cream. So this one's got it's a K-Beauty product. It's got beeswax, ceramide, it's got cholesterol, it's got human cord blood cell conditioned media, which sounds kind of weird, but this one's really, it's almost like an ointment, I would say. So let me get the product out here. So you can kind of see the texture of it right here. It's pretty thick. Oh, I should also mention, hang on, let me see if I can find it. Oh, here we go. the Ceramide cream. This is also almost like an ointment. It's got a lot of thick occlusive ingredients. So when you want to repair your barrier, you need soothing ingredients. You need occlusive ingredients to help seal everything in. There you go. You can layer that in there as well. So protecting your skin, giving it hydration, flooding it with hydration, and sealing everything in at night is also going to be super beneficial. And skin also gets dry. Like if you've got a sunburn, sun damage, it can make your skin more prone to moisture loss. Let's see. Next up. Oh, I should mention this one. The Purito, Mighty Bamboo and Panthenol cream. It's got Panthenol, which is great for soothing and repairing skin, Squalane, bamboo extract, and then it's got Madecassoside and oxalic acid, which are both derived from Centella, which are both great for soothing. So this one's nice. You could actually use this one in the daytime. Oh, you could use the Geek and Gorgeous during the daytime as well. They're non-greasy, really nice. But at night is when you focus. Daytime is when you focus on protecting and preventing, and nighttime is when you focus on healing, soothing, repairing. Daytime, protecting it. Nighttime, repairing it. That's what I try to do. Because you can't do it all in one routine. I mean, and all the products I apply at night, I'd probably look like a mess if I went out in the daytime using them all. CosRx Advanced All-in-One Snail Cream, Snail Mucin. If you're not allergic to shellfish and you're not vegan, it's great. Although, if you are, Isentree's Yam Root cream is also nice. So this would be a vegan alternative to the Snail Mucin. If you're allergic to shellfish or you're vegan, the Isntree is a nice option. Yam Root is very similar to Snail Mucin. They call it vegan mucin, basically. And it's also in the Byoma product, the vegan Snail Mucin. I think in this one, do they use it from a potato? Let me look. The ingredients are so small on here. Anyway, so yeah, Yam Root is great. I think they use yam. Okay, a couple more. The Stratia Skin Lipid Gold. I don't know. I'm on my bottle of this. I don't know, 12th, 13th bottle of it. I love this stuff. It's great for your skin. It's got rosehip oil, sea buckthorn oil, panthenol, and ceramides. It does go on kind of yellow, so if you're going to use this, it's probably better at night, unless you use a very light amount or mix it in with another moisturizer. And then a really nice one to seal everything in is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm. It's got dimethicone, shea butter, panthenol, and then again, Madecassoside. So looking at that video years later, I think those products are all great, but they're all pretty expensive. Even Paula's Choice used to be much more affordable than it has become, but I'd still recommend all of these. The Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Cream is on the thicker side, kind of in the middle between the Protein and the Lala Cream, but yeah, so all these are fragrance-free. So that's nice. So no further irritation. I know certain products can really make your skin dry. For me, it's the weather that makes my skin dry, or certain sunscreens can also kind of dry it out. But I think healing it at nighttime, repairing it, and then in the daytime, preventing it. I mean, things like sometimes too strong an exfoliant, retinoids can make your skin dry. I try and not test as many products in the winter as I do in the spring and summer. Skin isn't as forgiving during the dry seasons, I find. Skin is much more forgiving when it's hot and humid outside. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I find that to be... I never thought of it really, but the older I get, the more I notice it. Skin is much less happy, much less forgiving when it's 0 degrees and like 10% humidity out, probably less than that even. Skin gets to be much more angry and much less sympathetic to everything else that you're putting it through. So anyway, curious if you guys have any favorites. The Ceramide cream is so affordable and so nice, and a little bit goes so long. Yeah, I just love this stuff. So anyway, curious if you have any barrier repair favorites, and obviously adding in an essence and a toner is going to be helpful as well. So you can't, I mean, a couple toners. The Anua Rice Ceramide toner is great. The Mary and May Blackberry essence is great. So some of these are just really easy to kind of add in some extra moisture in addition to all of these other steps. So yeah, leave a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.